We got 2 inches of rain between Sunday and Monday. Today's Monday. Didn't rain all during the day, and I was able to get some mowing done, some brush hogging done. But we got a severe thunderstorm coming through again, and it is hot and muggy. I mean, this is perfect food plot conditions. So stay safe out there, and we'll keep. We're gonna be dodging rain. The weather all week looks like, but we gotta set some blinds this week and finish some other odds and ends projects, some access sites and some camoing. So thanks for watching. Okay, here we are, spraying away. This will not get as much time to burn down as normal plots, just because of the time of the year. But it is alpha green, as you can kind of see here. Let me show you. So what we're gonna do is spray her down, wait a couple days, and come and plant it. And while the seed's coming up, this will start dying. You can see we got a mud and stuff, bunch of rain, another ½ inch of rain last night. The mud here. Another ½ inch of rain last night. But it's not supposed to rain again. Today is Tuesday. Not supposed to rain again until Saturday. But 2½ inches of rain or more here in the central Michigan area. Oh, beautiful day. It's the 31 of August 2022. We're on the I planted this about a month ago. Can't see it very well. There we go. Looking good. Today we're setting blinds, some new blinds. This is a new property the owners just bought. I wrote up a plan for them in March or April. We had a forester out. This is the one I did some clearing on. So down there where there's sun, that wasn't like that before. And we got the food plots kind of put back in order. And you know, these plans that I write, anybody basically writes, any consultant writes, are going to take a lot of time. I mean, between if you need a forester to come in or not, you're kind of waiting for that. You got to make access trails. You got to do some hinge cutting or not. You got to plant, say, switchgrass. That takes, 3 to 5 years to get established. If you're, whatever you do, you're planting trees, you're doing lots of different things. And there's only so much time and money that goes, with it. So once you do get a plan for me, I try to itemize what should be first, what should be second, what should be third, kind of goals for the year, goals to look for. The deer are also going to be changing. The generations of deer are also going to be changing with the plan. So that's a good thing, because the old owners had their scent on this property. The new owners have their scent on the property. So it takes a while for that to get established. And then once the deer, like the deer that were born this year, are growing up with these food plots now. And they're growing up with the sounds and the smells of these new owners. So that's just going to do nothing but help. But got a lot of work to do with this one. Got these old blinds to get out, put some new blinds up, and I don't know how much filming I'll be able to do of it, but I'll do my best. Off through the woods we go, with a tower in tow. All right.
You got a good 3 inches there. should fit on both. And that'd be a lot more sturdy.
Yeah. Alright, one, two. Somebody's gonna be under here. Well, you're not.
I hope that metal don't fade.
Grayish brown, I think, for the paint.
Green, dark, even black, but dark green, dark brown, yeah. There's the steps right over there. I much prefer a platform. All right. Okay, I'm running out of time today, unfortunately. I got first day of soccer practice. If we would have been rained out twice so far, I'd have been a lot better. But this is very time consuming. Long trips back, multiple handing of the material, and you want to do a good job finding a good spot. And so I'm gonna I'll set this stuff up once they get all set and done, and I'll show you a video of it. Maybe they'll send me some. So gotta go. So going backwards a half a mile backwards, setting blinds. It's fun. Good day to you. September 1, 2022. Finally getting to work on my property. I'm spraying my trails with glyphosate, and I usually plant them with cereal rye. Hopefully get that done maybe this week. And I have a couple small little micro. I mean, they're twice the size of this tractor. That's how small they are. And where I walk, I like to not plant anything, but I like to kill the vegetation around it. So I'm not, so there's no food whatsoever there, and try to not have the deer be there. So that's what I'm doing right now. And got my tractor with one nozzle spraying. And I gotta do this before I hit something. I gotta get going. Okay, on the almost official last one, I got just mine to do. To plant, anyway, get some seed in the ground, some cereal rye. Got the planter in the back. This is the last one of this season. Plus a late caller comes in, we'll plant some rye for them. But so that's a good thing. It's exciting. Got lots of stuff to still do, so appreciate it. So just a quick side note here. I don't want to get off. This is off subject. Anyway, if you're 18 or under, I guess if you're under 18, please turn this off for about 30 seconds and come back to us. If you're an adult, then we'll discuss this. Just want to show you something. This is chewing tobacco, Chaw Original Blend. America's Best. But doesn't it look awfully familiar? Green pouch, red coloring, red letters. Well, guess what? Same as Red Man. Taste. Same great Red Man taste, new name. Just gonna let that marinate. Okay, welcome back, kids. Now that side note is made. We're gonna get done here. We'll finish out this week with, I got 2 musics. I'll try to video it here. 2 days of music. Hopefully the voice hangs up and football game. Hey, there's the 2nd September. Wish I could be out in the woods, of course, every day, but you know, life, it's life. And so today, kids are off school. A couple weeks in school, of course, we got colds going around. It's a good day for, you know, to get things caught up. So doing my laundry, do some housework, do some paperwork, spend some time with the kids, and we got music. I have music tonight, so tried to avoid the cold, and that's what we're doing today. So there's your quick Friday update. Just the regular old life. Okay, this is September 3. Finishing the week here with some fertilizing. This is a clover field I put in. Well, I don't know if I helped them put in, I guess. I don't know. Man, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, put in some potash down. And then I planted a food plot for them with some rye and brassicas. I got some urea to put down for that. So, it's supposed to rain this afternoon. So that'll be good if it does. If it doesn't, well, it doesn't, I guess. But, got music tonight. I'll try to show a little bit of that. You know, it's hard again to, you know, if I don't have someone there filming or whatever, but I'll try to do some filming for that. Played last night. I got a sick family at home, which is not good. So we're doing the best we can out here. All right, 3 September. Looks like rain, but we're gonna try to get her done.
It's a little humid out here tonight, isn't it?
A little humid.
Ooh,
Good for the vocal cords.
good.
So we'll get set up and hopefully we can get some video of us playing. So I wasn't able to get any video of the music. It's nighttime. We're done. It went good. It poured rain, but then we got a good hour of music in. We played for 2.5 hours, but we got a good crowd in there for the last hour and everything. So yeah, one of these times I'll have to, you know, have someone film it. I keep forgetting. It's one of my least thoughts of when we're doing this, but I appreciate you guys watching this week. This next coming week got some odds and ends jobs coming up. We'll see what we got to do. It's time to focus in on hunting season and what we're going to be doing we got licking branches to do. We got stands to kind of make sure they're safe and good, and we're going to be dialing in our bow. So thanks a lot. Appreciate it. God bless. Please subscribe.